Om Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to SSSLSG Gurukulam free online classes in mathematics. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Today we are coming to the last part of this lesson, last but one. Very interesting. Before that we will just revise once what we have studied earlier. The first topic we studied about data. Data means information, collection of information, and then a representation of data. That is by help of bar diagrams, double bar diagrams. I think you have learnt it, no? Using pencil and scale only you must do it. Don't do with pens, right? And then also we have studied about histogram, where the cross intervals and the frequencies are taken. Frequencies are taken in the y-axis and cross intervals are taken in the x-axis. And the bar diagram what you are getting are made to attach each other, correct? No gap should be there. That is what is called as histogram. Also we have studied about circle graph or pie chart. The given information is put in the form of a circle where the central angle is taken and the given information is divided into the central angle, correct? And if you can give different colors also. You have tried that home assignment? How many done? All? Very good. So, the home assignment, there was a coloring business here. So, draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. So, suppose you ask in your class, if you ask in your class, how many like blue? And in a survey, it is found that there are 18 people liked blue color. How many like blue color? Yes, suppose you are given freedom to wear dress. No, some will prefer blue. And in this survey, green was liked by 9 people. And red was liked by 6 people. Yellow was liked by only 3 people out of 36. Even for selection of car also. Some will like black colored car, some will like red, some will like maroon color, is it not? Grey color and so on. That's all liking. So now what is the first step we must do? Total number is 36. I have to make fraction form. 18 out of 36. That is equal to 1 by 2. 18 ones are 18 twos are. Come on, note down. 9 out of 36. If you have done it, already, no need of doing it. Otherwise, you note down. Then 6 out of 36. Come on, how much? 6 ones are, 6 six are. Lastly, 3 out of 36. 3 ones are, 3 twelves are. So, this is a fraction form. How to find out central angle? The total angle at the center will be, come on, 360 degrees. To give an interesting, thought. Suppose that in the clock, the time is 3 o'clock. What is the angle between the two hands? Anybody? There will be two hands, no? One is called minute hand, another is called hours hand. What is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand? 90 degrees, correct? 6 o'clock, 180. 9 o'clock, 270. 1 o'clock, 30. How you got 30? 360 by 12. 2 o'clock, 30 into 2, 60. 8 o'clock, 30 into 8, 240, like that. So you have seen the clock, so you must be able to tell the different degrees there. Now central angle will be half into 360, that is equal to 180 degrees. First one, blue color. Second one will be 1 by 4 into 360, that is equal to 90 degrees. Third one, 1 by 6 into 360, 60 degrees. Following? Okay. Nice. 1 by 12, last one, into 360. 12 ones are 12 threes are 30 degrees. So if you add all the angles, how much you must get? 360 degrees you must get. Now according to this, we have to draw a pie chart or a circle graph. So what is the first step? First step is drawing a circle. Drawing a circle. So first draw a circle of how much radius? At least 5 centimeter radius. Then 180 degrees. What is the device you are using? Protractor. So keep the protractor here and make an angle of 180 degrees. So what is this line called? Anybody? That line is called diameter. What is the diameter? It is a line joining the 2 points in the circumference of a circle passing through the center. So that is blue color. So that is blue color represents half of the circle. What is the name you give for half of the circle? Semicircle. Then second one, green, 90 degrees. So keep the protractor here, mark a point for 90 degrees, draw a line. That is green color. Third one is red, 60 degrees. So keep the protractor here, make 60 degrees. It's a rough figure, there may be small change also. You can try correctly. That is red color. And yellow color is 30 degrees. From 60 the remaining angle. So here 90 minus 60 is 30, remaining angle is 30 degrees. Actually you must write here, but we have marked it already. So there is no need of writing. So even if I write, they can't see. This is called blue, this is called green, this is called red. Like this you must write. And this is yellow. And this is red. Okay. So that's all the pie chart. So nice, na? Okay. Noted? Super. Now we will pass on to next question. Adjoining pie chart figure gives the expenditure in percentages on various items and savings of a family during a month. So your parents, maybe father or mother or both, they earn salary, is it not? So they don't tell you how much they are earning. For some parents may tell. And so they divide this salary into different items. For example, for food 25%, education of children 15%, house rent 10%, transport 5%, others 20%, savings 15%. Why you must save? Saving because for higher education of children, for going to different places, for traveling and all. So you must save. How do you save it? Saving can be, the money can be put in the bank, correct? So in which item the expenditure was maximum? So in all these you must see which is maximum. Food is maximum. So food item, the money spent on, come on, the money spent on food was maximum. How much it is? 25%. That means if 100 rupees is the salary, 25% is spent for food. If 1000 rupees is there, 250 rupees is spent for food. That is the meaning. That is the answer for the first question. Expenditure on which item is equal to total savings for the family? Savings of the family is 15%. So, which is 15%? One more you must see, that is education of children. So, total savings how many percent? Is equal to education of children. Education for children. 15%. So that is the answer. And third question, the monthly savings for the family is rupees 3000. What is the monthly expenditure on clothes? See, clothes is 10%. Clothes is 10%. And monthly savings of the family. Savings of the family is 15%. So, if the savings is 3000, so savings is 3000. Savings is 15%. If the savings is 15%, clothes will be 10%. By question, if 3000 is the savings, what is for clothes? So 3000 into 10 by 15. 3000 into 10 by 15. So that is 5 2s are 5 3s are 3 1s are 3000s are. So answer is 2000. So if 3000 is spent for, if the 3000 is saved, then clothes will be, monthly expenditure of clothes will be 2000. So answer is, if the monthly savings is rupees 3000, then rupees 2000, that is the answer. 2000 will be the expenditure on clothes. Expenditure on clothes. Okay, monthly savings is 3000, then 2000 will be the expenditure on clothes. If 15% is savings, 10% will be spent for clothes. So if 3000 is savings, how much for the clothes? That is the question. Okay, so this is the answer for the 3 questions of the home assignment, right? Noted on. Now let us see today's topic. Topics for today: chance and probability. So, it's a very, very interesting chance. In our life, we come across many occasions where we try our chances. For example, reservation of train ticket. How many are going in trains? For long journey, we have to reserve the ticket. And we will wait for a chance. We will give one date. On such and such a date, we want to go to Delhi, for example. Is it not? Then we have to be watchful. We will be asking for, say, AC coach. And then we will be waiting for the chance to come. And tossing a coin at the beginning of a cricket match. You have seen the captains, the two captains will come and take the coin. Every coin will have two faces. One is called head. There will be the national symbol. Is it not? The faces, the national symbol, another is tail. There is nothing but number. So what they do? They keep it like this on a finger and toss it. You see now? Then only the match will start. So both will not be knowing what will come. One of them will be asked. If he says head, then it is his preference. He may choose for batting or for bowling. So the chances we have to take. And taking umbrella on a rainy day. Sometimes there will be lot of clouds and we feel that it may rain today. So we will go with the umbrella. It won't rain at all. Sometimes it will not be any chances of raining. Suddenly rain will fall. We don't have umbrella. That is how you take chances. In trains also. Every day the train will come in a particular time. On an examination day or on a very urgent day, the train may come late. So that is why this is a very interesting thing, and they're taking chance. Even chances are high that prices of petrol and diesel will go up. Even gold cost also. Nowadays gold is very much fluctuating. In Akshaya Tritiya day, there was a lot of rush for gold because of the business people making gimmicks. Correct? And luckily the rates came down on that day. But now again it raised. So the chances are very high. So there are so many things like that. Is it not? And even in examination also, out of 5 lessons you have prepared fully, thoroughly all the 4 chapters. 5th chapter you have not studied much. On that only many questions may come. Then you feel, oh, what a bad luck. I did not study that 5th chapter. That only question came. You might have by hearted all the 4 poems, but not the 5th poem. But that was asked. Like that, in your life, we come across with the chances. And this is what is called as experiment. Tossing the coin is an experiment. And when you toss the coin, we will not knowing whether it head comes or tail comes up. So that is called as random experiment, where the results are not definite. Is it not? Even the game of a die. The die also, I think all of you have seen die, in a snake and ladder, there will be a die will come. And it will have 6 phases. And what are the possibilities there? It may be 1, the phase coming up, maybe 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6. Total how many chances are there? 6 chances are there, correct? So when I just, you might have seen Mahabharata, there was one Shakuni who plays a role, evil role. And it was Dharmaraya and Kauravas. And when they are playing the game of die, they are putting, what is called as, when a die is put, so Dharmaraya unluckily lost all the family members, all the wealth, all the power, position, etc. but later on they won because of their goodness, because of dharma. So in die experiments, the phase coming with 1 may come up, or 2 or 3, like that. So that are the different possibilities. In tossing a coin, so you may have 2 possibilities. The head may come up, we call it as H, or tail may come up, but not both. So there are 2 chances, is it not? That are called possibilities, and this is called random experiment because the result is not definite. Okay, and let us see some more details in the next class. Before that, try to answer this question, home assignment. When you spin the wheel shown, what are the possible outcomes? So here is a wheel. So in this you must tell, outcome here means the sector at which the pointer stops. Especially in festivals, car festivals, you might have seen it goes round, and where it stops they are asking. And you have a bag with 5 identical balls of different colors. So there is a bag, there are different colors. What are the colors? It may be white or a white ball, red ball, then blue ball, green ball, yellow ball. So you have a bag with 5 identical balls of different colors and you have to pull out. So in the bag there will be these balls. One ball you have to pull up, and without looking at it, list the outcomes you would get. When you pull one ball, you must tell which outcome it comes. And what are the outcomes of tossing 2 coins together? Suppose you have 2 coins and toss, is it not? What are the outcomes you must tell? That is the third question. So try to answer these 3 questions. And now let us see what Bhagavan Baba says. Hands that serve are holier than lips that pray. Some people will be praying throughout, but Baba says service to man is service to God. So serving is better. So hands that serve are holier than lips that pray. Okay, so try to practice, let us try to practice it. So try to answer the home assignment. Thank you.